I've been using the Nutribullet Portable Blender for a while now, and I really like how compact and lightweight it is. It's super easy to take with me to work, the gym, or even on a trip. The 475 milliliter cup is just the right size for a smoothie or a protein shake, and I love that I can blend and drink from the same cup. It charges with USB-C and gives me around 15 blending cycles on a full charge. Using it is really simple. I press the power button once to wake it up, then press it again to start blending. It handles smoothies, protein shakes, fruit drinks, milkshakes, and even soft frozen fruit with enough liquid. It's perfect whenever I want something quick without getting my full-size blender out. Cleaning the Nutribullet Portable Blender is very easy. I can quickly take it apart, wash the cup and lid, or just wipe the base. I only wish the USB-C port had a protective cover to keep it safer from water. Overall, I really like the Nutribullet Portable Blender because it's compact, easy to use, and perfect for quick smoothies and shakes on the go.